Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having an amazing day. I am Becca and this is Becca's Beauty Journey. I'm so glad that you clicked on this video today. So as you read by the title, we are going to be going over another Vox Box from Influenster. Now, if you are a family member of my channel, you will know that I just had Jif peanut butter sent to me from Influenster. And I was super excited about that. Well, this time I have the Fall Vox Box. And this one contained 3 items. So for the fall, I was super excited to actually get to try a lot of these. The first product that I got to try is the Completely Bare Hair Removal Cream with Argan Oil and Aloe. Now, I did try this on my mustache, if you will, and my eyebrows. It did work on my mustache, facial area, great. As far as my eyebrows, it didn't do as nice as I thought it would. But I did not try it on my face, just for the simple fact that I used the little razors on my face and usually on my eyebrows, and then I pluck whatever else needs to be done. I will say, if you are a sensitive skin kind of girl or guy, do a patch test, guys. Chemical burns are nothing to play with. They take a long time to get over. It can scar your face. So for a facial hair removal cream, I like this. And the coolest part is it has a little pin applicator, so you get precise, mistake-proof tendency, and it locks, so you can't squeeze out when you don't want to. It is locked there, you turn it, and of course your product will come out. So, from Completely Bare, thank you very much, and from Influenster, I did like that. It does have a hair removal scent. If you use Nair on your legs or your face or any of that, you know that little scent that I'm talking about. But as far as a precise, mistake-proof upper lip hair removal, this was fantastic. The next thing I received was from Codex Beauty. This is an amazing day cream moisturizer. I am wearing it today underneath my makeup. I love how it does. It has a light citrus, fresh plant smell. It softened and brightened my skin. I love it, and it comes with a pump. So I'm super all about that. It's a light green, yellow cream color. The packaging, this lime green, not lime green, muted green color. I love this. I love the box. I went on the company and looked some more. This is 50 milliliters, and this retails for $70. I don't know if I would pay $70 for it, but it's very nice. I love how it feels when you put it on. For a moisturizer, it's amazing. So I was very glad to get to try that. So Codex Beauty, thank you very much. Influencer, I greatly appreciate it. And I'm sorry, I did not say how much the Completely Bare hair removal was. This retails for $11. So it's very much quite affordable. I know that they have a oil in this that also came in some of the other Vox boxes. I didn't get that, but I do know that that is another item that they carry. So I like this. I will be using it. As you can see, I've already used quite a bit of it. But the last thing that I was super excited to get to try is from Glow Recipe. This is the Plump hyaluronic acid serum. This is an amazing product, and if you know me, you know that I love my Glow Recipe. This retails for $42, and it is 30 milliliters or 1 fluid ounce. This is a silky, it also has a little pump, glass jar, very nice. It's a silky water gel formula. It's like a fruit salad for your skin. That's the best way that I can describe it. And you can literally sit there and watch it plump your fine lines and wrinkles. And who doesn't want that? I did also use this today. My makeup goes on right over it. It's not sticky. It's not greasy. It's not any of those things. So being able to try something else from Glow Recipe, let me tell you, I do their moisturizer, I do their fine mist, I do the avocado sleeping retinol, the banana souffle moisturizer, the pineapple serum, the watermelon sleeping mask, the watermelon jelly glow sheet mask. I am an avid Glow Recipe skincare user, so Glow Recipe and Influenster, thank you very much. So my thoughts for the Fall Vox Box, it was amazing. I am super thrilled about it. I know that my last video with the peanut butter, I said I had been doing this for over a year, which I have, but I am avid to it. I stick with it, and that's the one thing. Anybody can get Influenster. You can go on the app, fill out the reviews, do what they ask of you, and just stay with it. And as you can see, you know, these are the 3 products I got for my fall box, all for my face, skincare. Fall is coming. You get the drier skin. It's nice to have something that you know will help you get through the fall and winter months. The whole retail value of my box was $123, which is insane to think about being sent to you free for review, which is why I do recommend you trying out Influenster for yourself. So, Completely Bare, Codex Beauty, and Glow Recipe, along with Influenster, thank you very much for sending these products my way. I am greatly enjoying using them. And let me know down below, do you get Vox Box? Are you interested in trying Influenster? Did I change your mind? Have you tried any of the products that I showed you today? So I did get these items complimentary free for review from Influenster. I don't think I put that in there, so I'm going to right here. Along with that, I'm going to take a minute to let you know what's on my face. On my eyes today, I am wearing the Me, Myself, and Mom Mitchell palette. I love the eye look that I created. I am wearing the KVD Vegan Beauty lipstick in the color Love, along with some Buxom full-on plumping gloss. I did use the Beauty Volt in Natty Nate this lip liner, and then my eyelashes are of course the Mink Effect collection from Kiss in Countess. Alright guys, please do rate this video as always, either a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either way, it really does help my channel. If you would like to subscribe, I would love to have you join the family. Please do so. And until next time guys, as always, love yourself and I love you. So, bye.